I'm actually from New Iberia, Louisiana. I used to work for Liljedahl for 8 years, and then I just stumbled upon a different roofing company, started working for them. Then Joe commandeered me, and I decided to make the choice to come to Complete Exteriors, and I've been here for 2 years. And I thoroughly enjoy it. You know, we really are a family, and I know a lot of people say that, but these are people that we will spend time with outside of work. We do a lot together, and we all work so well together. I do the insurance work here, so once the salesman meets the customer and they start the relationship, things get turned over to me. My goal is to give them the best possible roof that we possibly can. We do that for our family. We would do it for anyone. So I have a little dachshund. He's a long-haired dachshund. His name's Ollie, and he is the best little dog in the world. He's a good dog. I love spending time with him. I like to take him places. I love to read. I have over 300 books, and it's probably my favorite pastime is to read. Anytime you are in need of any roofing, any gutters, any specialty metal, anything that is on the outside of the home is in our wheelhouse, so we would love it if you'd give us a call.